असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय.
Now we are going to learn about mode for group root data. In the previous video we have seen mode for ungrouped root data. Now it is for group root data. Okay, right. So I am going to give a formula here and I will explain the terms of the formula. So in the next video we shall solve the problems based on this formula. Okay, right. Now look at the formula here. So mode, so L plus F1 minus F0, this is called F0, and 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula for mode, and this could be right. So this you can write another manner also, L plus F1 minus F0 by F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into H. Okay. So I am going to write here. I think there is lighting effect not good there. So write down here L plus F1 minus F0 by F1 minus F0 plus F1 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. We can use this or this, both are same. Just I am dividing the F1 term here. Okay, right. So L is nothing but here lower boundary of the model class. So L is the lower boundary of the model class. Model class is nothing but a class interval. So we have to choose the model class there by taking the highest frequency class interval. The highest frequency class interval is called the model class. So in that we choose L as lower boundary. Okay, right. Next, H, size of model class, nothing but length of the class interval, okay, of model class. Okay, right. Next, F1, so frequency of the model class is the our F1. Okay, and next F0, frequency of the class preceding to model class. Okay, so preceding class interval frequency is called F0. Okay, right. Next, F2, frequency of the class succeeding to model class. Okay, so the succeeding class interval frequency is called F2. So if you have these values, we can substitute directly in the formula. We will get the mode for the given data. Okay, right.